beautiful mountains of Helen, and we are about to go on an insane camping trip. We got the hot tent and stove right here. We got Gavin right here, and over here we got his pack. We got the sleeping bag. Yep. We got the tent, the small tent. Yeah, right there. Look at that.
Oh yeah, the seasonings. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. All the food. We got coffees. This is gonna be an insane trip.
Oh yeah.
We made a quick stop. One of Gavin's bags was rubbed on his back tire, so nothing too wrong yet. I mean, the belt is burning up a little bit, but not too much. Ready. Over the weekend, it's going to get down to 22 degrees. That's why we got the hot tent. Got the nibby. A little bit of extender. I got plenty of belts. We also got extra pull cord right here, just in case. The only tools I brought are stuffed in here. It's an 8mm and a feeler gauge for my valves, just in case. We're about to take back off. This is the process of Gavin getting his bag on. You need a little help? Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. We are ready to roll. So we got the hot tent burning all the metals from the factory off, and I'm cleaning out a spot for the hot tent. Make sure there's no big rocks, stuff like that. The soil up here is so nice. Make sure we have plenty of room for the tent. See what? Our rock right there. Be gone, rock. This is the hot tent all set up. I mean, $100 off Temu. Can't beat it, honestly. Cannot beat it. Got plenty of room for 2 people in there. Got the stove still cooking over there. It's gonna be our view for the morning. Man, it's gonna be great. All right, we got the hot tent and everything over there all set up. I just need to get firewood for the hot tent tonight. So I'm gonna go with this. It seems pretty dead, the base. It's pretty dead. This is a brand new saw. This thing cuts like absolute butter. I think it's a little stuck. Oh yeah. Absolute butter. Made a little sawhorse, so cutting logs will be a little bit easier on my back, so I don't be bending over. Right now I'm patoning some wood. This is my knife. It's a custom made knife made by Bearded Blades in Cumming, Georgia. Super nice knife. I'm gonna show it in action. probably one of the nicest knives I've ever owned. I had the Gerber Strong Arm, but it bent. Super nice. Oh yeah, it was going right down the middle of a knot. It hold that edge perfectly. Oh yeah. So I got these Temu pans right here. I've been letting in the water in the fire for a minute. I'm gonna find a water, and right here, and I'm gonna let bacon there. You know, all that machine chemicals that come off of it. Gavin got this place nice and cleared out. There's so many spiders underneath the leaves. It's crazy. But we're about to cook up some food and go on a nice little bike ride. Cooking up some veggies and a steak. Cayenne, pepper, salt, garlic powder.
Oh yeah.
We got the tray up here.
Probably time to put that on the heat for real.
For real. I need to give her a flip and season the other side. Put it right down the heat.
Oh yeah, good down in there.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
There's a stick just here, but my pant legs are like so hot from the fire. It's so crazy. Oh my gosh, look at this bug.
For real, bro. He was flying all over me.
Oh my.
Look, bro.
I did burn myself pretty bad on the tent stove.
What the hell?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna update y'all when it's done. Yeah, this is the end of the night. Gavin is passed out. Got some of the fire going. I put a big log on there. And yeah. I'm gonna go to bed. I actually have my shirt off. It is so hot in here. And it's about 40 degrees outside. So it's not too cold, but it's pretty cold. It is so windy. We got the cowboy coffee going. And then I'm gonna make some shots of espresso with the nano espresso. And then we're gonna go ride. So this morning we went out and got some gas and stuff, and as we can see, we had a little bit of catastrophic difficulties. Yeah, same with Gavin's bike. I stole a bolt from my front fender up there, and now we're getting somewhere. So nice. One full burn, one full night on the Nature Hike wood stove, and it works pretty good. No leaks, nothing. We cooked food on top of it, and it's working like a dream. We're all packed up at the bottom of the campsite up there. Gavin, yeah, that explains itself. Chain is missing. So we're going to test the limits of this bike and tow it all the way back to the bottom.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, we'll see how this works.